I needed a little fix of my daily dose of adrenaline, so I'm headed up to the state border to learn what it's like to be a rafting guide in some crazy Class 5 rapids. And Aaron from River Dancers put me right to work.
Well, a big component of being a raft guide is carrying heavy gear, starch schlepping gear.
This is like a giant mattress pump.
Well, it shouldn't compress that much. I shouldn't be able to make a crease. And the last thing we want to do is taco. We don't want a taco.
We don't want a taco.
No.
I like tacos, but not in this
not
situation.
this kind of taco.
Better?
Yep.
Aaron, is this good? You want to check that?
This is the Klamath River. We are between Copco Dam and John C. Boyle Dam. It runs about 12 miles that we're going to do today.
For thousands of years, this lush area has been a life-giving source to its local tribes. But in the 1900s, a series of dams were built, which created an ecological disaster for those who depended on these waters for the fish it produced. What used to be hundreds of thousands of salmon caught per year has dwindled to only a few hundred. By cutting off the natural flow of the river, the water heats up. Warmer water means more disease, making it less likely that the fish will reach their destination to lay their eggs. There is currently an effort to remove 4 of the most invasive dams. But one of the byproducts of these dams is a series of Class 5 rapids that is equally thrilling and challenging. While these rapids are still here, I'm gonna take my best shot at conquering this river.
This is a super fun, action-packed section. There are some challenging rapids. We have Caldera Rapid, Satan's Gate, Hell's
Satan's
Corner.
Yeah, no.
So you can tell by the names of those rapids.
No joke.
They're no joke.
Now it was finally time for me to take the wheel, or oars, and learn what it takes to navigate these rapids.
The current's gonna want to turn you, so you may have to pull harder on one side. You see how the current's turning you?
Yeah. Oh, wrong. No, it takes some practice. This is a lot more difficult than it looks. Kind of like patting your head and rubbing your stomach at the same time. Yeah?
You look for where the most bubbles are. Follow the bubble line.
Follow the bubble line.
It's usually a good indication of where the best current is.
We're coming through some rapids here.
Well, let's check it out.
My first test. I'm not quite sure if I studied enough for this one, but here goes nothing.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Forward paddle! Forward paddle! Good?
Very good.
Nice. I made it through my first rapid as a guide.
Good job. You're
And I
right.
even got to boss you around and yell at you a little bit. Well, that was fun, but some serious rapids are up ahead, so it's probably time to let Aaron take the helm. Our first order of business is scouting out our first Class 5 rapid.
We are going to scout Caldera Rapid, which is the first of the big ones, like a big boiling pot of water, hence the name. We always like to scout this one, particularly our first time down it this year. So
Whoa, there's a snake.
Watch out. It's a garter snake.
That's pretty big for a garter snake.
It's huge.
There it is.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of white water to get through.
That's no joke.
I feel good about the water level, so I think we should go do it.
All right. Okay, we've got the all clear. Now is when things get really exciting.
You enter this, I'm gonna call hold on, you're gonna hold on, and then you're gonna get ready to paddle. I love you guys.
I love you guys. Here it is. Caldera.
Forward! Hold on, hold on! Back paddle, back paddle, back paddle! Hold on, hold on!
Almost went out of the boat.
Back paddle! Forward!
That was Caldera.
Caldera Rapid.
All right.
Nice work.
Okay, that's enough celebrating. We've got to get to the next rapid.
We need to get there fairly quickly as the faucet's about to be turned off.
Each day, the water level between each dam is controlled. If we don't catch this small window, we'll be stuck or worse, overrun with cascading rapids in a dinghy too small to save us.
We're just gonna go for it. You know what's around Hell's Corner?
What?
Hell.
Oh, did I mention Hell's Corner is also a blind corner? Yeah. It's just totally blind. You can't see where you're going. It's just class 5 rapids. Get in there tight. Get so! Hang on, hang on, hang on! Oh, these are no joke. Forward, forward, forward. Keep going. Nice. Yeah, paddle high five. Yeah. Holy wow.
I'm exhausted.
Look at that. It is split-second decisions. We hit probably 3 rocks and we had to really paddle out of there to get out of that danger area. Woo. All right, forward. All right. Well, nobody fell out of the boat. Nobody got hurt. Mission success. Satan's Gate, Caldera, and Hell's Corner.
Sure, man.
Yeah, man. Good job. Naturally, there's only one more thing to do. Have some cold drinks with new friends. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Yeah. It's a successful day on the river. Yeah.